Welcome to this quick tutorial on creating a simple HTML form using our workflow automation tool. This scenario demonstrates how to set up a form, collect user input, and save the data to a database. Let's walk through the process. First, we start with the trigger on webhook node. This node generates a unique URL that will display our form. Next, we use a setVariables node to store this URL. You'll need to copy the production URL from the trigger node and paste it into the URL variable here. Now, let's look at the form itself. In the empty form node, we have HTML code for a basic survey. It includes fields for name, email, company, and product satisfaction. When a user submits the form result node generates a thank you page. This confirms the submission was successful and offers an option to fill out the form again. Finally, the save form node stores all the collected data in our Airtable database. This allows us to easily access and analyze the responses later. This setup is perfect for various use cases, such as customer feedback surveys, event registrations, or even simple job applications. The beauty of this workflow is its flexibility. You can easily customize the form fields and design to suit your specific needs. Remember, after setting up the scenario, simply click Deploy and share the generated URL with your audience. It's that easy to start collecting valuable data for your business or project. Give it a try and see how quickly you can set up your own custom forms. Thanks for watching and happy automating with LateNote.